Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall games from your PlayStation 5. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is of course have your PlayStation turned on, have a controller connected, and we're going to be on our dashboard as you can see I am right now. We're going to be making sure we're on the game section here on the top left, and from this point we're going to be hovering down here on the main menu here. As you can see I have my PlayStation Store, and here we can see a list of all our recently played games. What we're going to be doing is coming to the far right of this list and we should see a menu here called our game library. If we click the X button here we should open this up. This first screen here will show us your collection. So this is all the games you have ever played or you currently have access to. However, if you press R1 here, or you come up here and come to the installed section, we should be able to see a list of all currently installed games on our PlayStation 5. From this point, what we're going to be doing is locating to whatever game you would like to uninstall. So for today's video, I'm going to be using Marvel's Spider-Man as an example. You want to come to your game, you want to click the start button or the pause button on your controller, and it's going to open up this extra menu. Here we can click play, manage game content, delete, information, or intellectual property notices. What we're going to be doing is coming up here to the middle option, delete. If we select this, we will get this extra pop-up. This game or app is about to be deleted. From this point, we can go to the right, click OK, and then our game will start to be deleted from our PlayStation 5. This can be really useful if you want to save up some space, or if you've just completed a single player game that you're probably not going to play for a while. It's probably better to remove it to save the extra space, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing, and it's exactly what I did in today's video. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to uninstall or remove games from your PlayStation 5. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.